It's July. The heat wave is relentless. You're lying in bed at 2 a.m., staring at the ceiling, drenched in sweat. Your ancient window AC is rattling like a freight train, barely pushing out cool air, and your electricity bill just hit a record high. Sound familiar? Here's the terrifying truth: most window air conditioners sold today are using technology from a decade ago. They're energy vampires. They're noise monsters. And worst of all, some of them are actually mold factories waiting to happen. But 2026 changed everything. New inverter technology. AI-driven cooling. Starting at number 1. GE Profile ClearView PHC08LY. Best window air conditioner for small rooms. The first thing you'll notice about the GE ClearView PHC08LY window air conditioner is its design, which has a lowercase N-shaped trench along its underside, allowing it to sit more deeply along your windowsill. This design provides more stability during installation and allows you to close the window more, reducing the noise from outside and the unit's obstruction of your view. With the AC unit placed below the sill level, you can barely hear the compressor as it kicks on. Of course, this design also means the GE ClearView PHC08LY won't work for all home setups, either because your walls are thicker than 13.75 inches or because there's furniture or structures below the window. While installation is straightforward, this window AC unit's heavy build will likely be a two-person job. The trickiest part of the installation is the adjustable spacers that prop the outside part of the AC unit away from the wall. They're a little hard to reach if you're installing purely from inside the window. In terms of controls, we found both the on-unit panel and its smart companion app intuitive and easy to use. Number 2. LG LW8017ERSM. Best value window air conditioner. The LG LW8017ERSM window air conditioner is the updated version of our previous top pick, the LW8016ER. This window AC unit looks virtually indistinguishable from its predecessor and performed strongly during testing, dropping the temperature by 10 degrees Fahrenheit in only 40 minutes. One major addition to this updated window AC unit is the integrated LG Smart ThinQ technology that allows you to connect to and control your LW8017ERSM from anywhere using LG's app, ensuring that you never have to return to a hot, muggy house again. It's also compatible with Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa. The LG LW8017ERSM window AC required more elbow grease on assembly than much of the competition. At 62.7 dBA, it's also in the middle of the pack in terms of noise level on maximum settings. While it couldn't grab our top spot, the LG LW8017ERSM carries the legacy of its predecessor as a simple yet powerful workhorse of a window air conditioner while adding handy Wi-Fi integration. For the price, it's one of the best window AC units on the market. Number 3. GE Profile PHC08LY. Best window air conditioner. The GE Profile Series PHC08LY window air conditioner blends top-notch cooling capacity and features with a bit of style and elegance. During testing, this 8,100 BTU window air conditioner reduced our 340 square foot test area's temperature by 10 degrees Fahrenheit in only 43 minutes. It lowered the room's humidity by 14% in the same amount of time. The GE Profile Series is a whisper-quiet air conditioner. Quiet mode only puts out 49.3 dBA of sound, less noise than an average household refrigerator makes. On its maximum cool setting, the decibel level ramped up to 59.7 dBA, about as loud as a normal conversation, making it the second quietest window air conditioner we've ever tested. With the GE Appliances app, users can remotely control and schedule the GE Profile Series while monitoring its power usage and temperature settings. It can also be controlled and monitored via voice through Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, Apple HomeKit, and IFT. The GE Profile Series air conditioner has an ENERGY STAR energy efficiency rating and offers energy-saving features such as power consumption reports and an automatically dimming LED display. Number 4. Frigidaire FFRA051WAE window air conditioner. Best value. We haven't tested the Frigidaire, but based on its specs and brand reputation we can confidently say that it's a no-frills model that's inexpensive and reliable. It's a low-effort, high-efficiency air conditioner designed to cool off a small, stuffy space fast. The AC has a simple two-knob control system. The top knob controls the cooling setting, the bottom knob controls fan speed, and you have the option to run the fan with or without cooling. The appliance's thermostat cycles the air conditioner on and off to keep the temperature within range based on the temperature you set with the top knob. There's no smart functionality, so it can only be controlled from the knobs. Still, it's an efficient window unit that won't hurt your wallet, and its washable filter saves you money on having to buy replacements. Number 5. GE Profile ClearView Window Air Conditioner. Best design. This unit from GE Profile hangs on your windowsill. It only takes up about 5 inches of your window, giving you almost a full view. This also means you can fully open your window for some fresh air. The unit has an inverter compressor for efficient cooling and operates as quietly as our best overall pick. There's also an intuitive digital control panel that automatically turns off after use. The GE app is equally straightforward, with all the basic functions to control the unit from anywhere. Keep in mind that installation is a bit tricky because of the shape. The unit adjusts to different windowsill widths and is therefore longer than a standard box unit. You'll most likely need an extra hand for help. It also takes up some room inside your apartment since it hangs from the window and comes out about 6 inches or so. Your home should be your sanctuary, not a sauna. Now that you know which window air conditioner delivers the coldest air, the quietest operation, and the lowest energy bills, you can beat the heat without breaking the bank. Every unit we tested is linked in the description below, with specs, noise ratings, BTU recommendations, and where to buy before they sell out. If this guide helped you breathe easier this summer, hit that like button. It helps others find relief too. Share this with a friend who's suffering through a hot apartment. They'll thank you when July hits. And if you haven't already, subscribe and hit that bell so you never miss our 2026 home comfort reviews. Stay cool, stay comfortable, and I'll see you in the next one.